Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to deal with word problems related to linear equation. When we solve such type of questions, at that time, we find out that the information provided in the question is somewhat complicated, and by using that information, we have to solve our problem. And when we solve such type of examples, we may come across the basic concepts like profit and loss, or the ratio and proportion, and so on. So let's start our session with first question. Students, we have to solve such type of example in short span of time. While reading, you may underline important points so that complicated question can be solved in simple manner. So let's read our question. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter, and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meter trouser material, he buys 3 meter of the shirt material. Buys, then cost rupees, then for every 2 meter and 3 meter trouser. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,660. How much trouser material did he buy? Students, let's try to understand this question in this way. Here, information given is that Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him 90 per meter. Means here we will see in this way, this is shirt material and this one is trouser material. Cost him, shirt material cost him 50 rupees per meter, and trouser material cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 2 meter trouser material, he buys 3 meter of shirt material. See here, for every 2 meter of trouser material, he buys 3 meter of shirt material. Means we can understand it in this way. He bought here 2 into 1 means 2 meter trouser material. At that time, the shirt material will be 2 into 1, that is 3 meter. If 2 into 2, he buys 4 meter trouser material. At that time, shirt material will be 3 into 2, 6 meter. Means in this way, if we go ahead, 3 into, if he buys X meter trouser material, at that time he will buy 3 into X, 3x meter shirt material. So here these shirt material and trouser material are in proportion. So we can write here, when 2x meter trouser material, at that time there will be 3x meter shirt material, and we have to find out the value of X, then we can easily find out total trouser material. We will go with next statement. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. Means here in this sentence, trouser material is mentioned first. So we will put here 12% profit to trouser material, and 10% profit for shirt material. His total sale is rupees, means selling price, is equal to 36,660 rupees. Let's consider shirt material be 3x meter and trouser material 2x meter. Let shirt material is equal to 3x meter and trouser material is equal to 2x meter, because they are in proportion. And here they mention that shirt material that cost him 50 rupees per meter. 50 rupees per meter. So with the help of this sentence we can calculate the cost price of shirt material. It is equal to 3x into 50. That is equal to 150x in rupees. And cost price of trouser material, we can write it as 2x into this 90 rupees per meter. So it will be 180x rupees. And here profit is given. So first we will calculate with the help of this cost price the profit whatever he got. Let's see here. 10% profit on shirt material. So 10 divided by 100 into cost price. Cost price is 150. Here 0 cancels out. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 3s are 15x. This is the profit on shirt material. Similarly, we can calculate profit on trouser material. It is equal to 12 divided by 100 into cost price. 0 cancels out. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 5 1s are 5. Here we will first multiply this number. 12 into 9 divided by 5. 108 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 remaining, 5 6 are 30. So it is equal to 21.6x. We have calculated profit on cost price, and when we add these two figures or whatever we have got, then we will get selling price of shirt material. Here it will be shirt material. It is equal to 150 plus 15. It is equal to 165. 561x. 165x. And selling price for trouser material equal to, point remain as it is, 6, 1, 0 and 2, 201.6x. And when we add this selling price and this selling price, then we will get this total selling price. So let's them add. 165x plus 201.6x is equal to this selling price 36,660. We will add these figures. 0.6, 6, 6 and 3 means 366.6 x is equal to 36,660. Then we can easily calculate the value of x in this way. Divided by, it is equal to, we will put 1 0 above to avoid this decimal point. So our answer now we will get, it will be 100, means the value of x is equal to 100. Here we have got the value of x, and we know trouser material, we have assumed that it is 2x. Trouser material it is equal to 2x. So 2 into 100, this 100, it is equal to 200 meter, because the rate given is for per meter. So we will mention here meter. So total trouser material he bought is equal to 200 meter. Our next question is, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Means we have to find out the total number of deer in that field. So first, if we take the total number of deers as a x, so half of a herd of a deer are grazing, means from this total half means x by 2, they are grazing. For we are understanding this question, what is given in this question, and 3/4 of the remaining this word means these are the total number of deers, and half of are grazing, and remaining are what, they will be, means here we have to subtract this x by 2 from total number of deers. So we will get here remaining deers. 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby, means 3/4 means 3 by 4th, these deers are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water. We will write here 9, means if we add these 3 groups of deers, then we will get total number of deers. These are grazing, these are playing nearby, and remaining are drinking. So we will start to write our question. First we will assume total number of deers be x. First, half of a herd of deer are grazing. So then we will write grazing deers are equal to half of, means x by 2. It should be x by 2. 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby. So playing nearby deers is equal to 3/4 of remaining. Remaining are x minus x by 2. We will solve it here. We will take the LCM 2, then 2 into x, 2x minus x. So 3/4 of 2x minus x will get x by 2. Let's form the equation with the help of this information. So we know total number of deers are x, and when we add these three groups, then we will get the total number of deers. So we will write down it x by 2 plus 3/4 of x by 2 plus 9 are drinking, means we have to add here 9. So this is our equation. We will solve it. X plus 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 is equal to x. We will take again LCM. 4x plus 3x plus 9 is equal to x. So 7x by 8 plus 9 is equal to x. We will take the LCM of these two terms. 8 7x plus 9 into 8 will get 72 is equal to x. So 7x plus 72, this 8 is in division. When we shift it to right hand side, it goes into multiplication. So 7x plus 72 is equal to 8x. So 72 is equal to 8x minus this 7x. So 72 is equal to x. 8x minus 7x, we get x. So here we have got the value of x. It is equal to 72, means the total number of deers in the herd are 72. Let's go for next question. First we will read the question carefully. So our question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate ₹100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at ₹75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? If you read the question carefully, then here we will come to know the plot is in the shape rectangular, means it has length and breadth, and ratio given is 11:4, means when length is 11x, at the same time breadth will be 4x. So we will write here 11x and 4x, and opposite sides of rectangular are equal, so this will be 4x, and automatically this will be 11x. And next statement gives us that at the rate rupees 100 per meter, 100 per meter means that the unit mentioned here is meter. It will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000, means to fence this plot the total amount paid by village panchayat is 75,000. So here we have this total information, and by using this entire information we have to solve our question. So let's go for it. First we will write given data. For that we will consider length and breadth. Length is equal to 11x meter and breadth will be 4x meter. Here the statement at the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000. This statement suggests us that when we multiply this entire distance, means distance of the boundary, by rupees 100, at that time we will get this total amount, that is 75,000 by 100. And total distance of boundary is nothing but perimeter, means when we multiply perimeter by 100, then we will get our equation. So, and the perimeter of rectangular shape is nothing but 2 into L plus B, means length plus breadth, into 100. We will write this entire equation as it is. We will put here length is 11x for this question and breadth is 4x into 100 is equal to 75,000. Here 11x and 4x is nothing but 15x into 100 is equal to 75,000. We will write next step. 2 into 15x means it is nothing but 30x into 100 is equal to 75,000. Here 30 into 100 gives us 3,000. X is equal to 75,000, which is nothing but this 3,000 goes to the down. We will cancel out these zeros and 3 ones are 3, 25 3s are 75. So x is equal to 25. We have got the value of this x, and by putting this value we will get length and breadth. So here we can calculate length is equal to 11x, which is nothing but 11 into this value of x, 25. Here we will get 25 ones are 25, 5 ones 2 remains, and 25 ones are 25 and 2 27, means 275, and unit will be meter. This is the length, and breadth it is equal to 4x, which we have considered, and 4 into 25 it gives us 100 meter. So length will be 275 meter and breadth will be 100 meter. And last sentence of our question will be the dimensions of the rectangular plot are length is equal to 275 meter and breadth is equal to 100 meter. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly share these videos with your friends, and to support our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. And if you have any query or suggestion, you can mention in the comment box.